What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie, and in today's video I'm gonna hop into the biggest regrets that I have with my GR build. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, this is my 2024 GR Corolla Circuit Edition, and I wanted an OEM plus type of a finish when I go with this build, so I decided to go with the BBS RE V7s, 18s, running a crazy offset. If you want, check out the video of the installation at Evasive Motorsports. But let's talk about what I do not like about the car and what I'm about to change in the upcoming few weeks. So in regards to suspension, I went with Swift springs and I'm running my original shocks. Now stance wise, let's go closer to the front end. This thing looks incredible. I'm absolutely loving how it looks. Look at those gaps right there, really minimal at the front end. And if you look at the rear, also really nice setup. You get like kind of like an equal type of front end gaps and rear, and I think it looks incredible. But let's go for a drive and talk about how it drives. Alright guys, let's talk GR Corolla and my build. So I'm super excited how this car turned out. I think that the BBS RE V7s are a really nice wheel, especially with the silver finish, and my blue looks really good. A nice clean pop. Now one thing that I have an issue with is my suspension. When I was going to get suspension, I thought maybe get coilovers, so I was shopping around. We had Fortune 500. You have a lot of suspension options out there, but I decided that I wanted to get Öhlins. And when I wanted to get Öhlins, they told me that I had a 3-month wait. I didn't want to wait 3 months. I'm that type of a person that I have anxiety. I'm like, dude, I have the wheels, I have the tires, I just want to put it on and enjoy the car. So I decided, let's just get the Swift springs, live with that, and see how that is. So I've had lowered cars, I had aggressive driving cars, I've had cars like the Porsche GT4, which are stiff rides and not perfect daily drivers, especially if you have the carbon bucket seats. But this, guys, is a little bit different. So the issues that I'm facing is that it has a lot of squeaky noises. I'm running my original shocks, and every time I'm going at low end speed bumps at a really slow speed, I hear it, and it's just really annoying. The fact that it's a stiff ride, I knew that it was going to become a stiff ride, and originally the GRC in general I think has a kind of a stiff suspension, but a really good suspension. But now with this, as you guys, I don't know if you could hear it in the camera, a lot of squeaky noises. I'm going over speed bumps on back roads, and it's just something that I'm not really enjoying. Luckily, I got my hands on Öhlins coilovers. I'm going to be installing that in a few weeks. But otherwise, I think that the build is coming along great. We're going to go on to the exhaust, intake, and then minor things here and there that I want to switch up. But overall, in my opinion, I think the car looks proper with these BBS RE V7s and the Yokohama tires. Comment down below what you guys think in regards to my build for now. But I think the Öhlins coilovers, we're going to install them and see if that resolves and solves all of the issues with all the squeaky noises, which I'm pretty sure it will. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.